Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on function to hide camera cutout in our Samsung Galaxy A55. So what option we need to change? First of all, we need to go to settings, then in display option, when we scroll down a little bit, we have our camera cutout function. So what does it do? We have very short explanation here. You can hide the camera cutout area by covering it with a black bar. As you can see, by default, all these applications are set up to auto. If you want to, we can change this. For example, we can hide camera cutout manually or show camera cutout. Let's leave it at hide just to change it from the auto functions one. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.